Hi guys, it's Iwa of Nom Life. Today we're making one of my favorite recipes, homemade chili oil. So this is actually Jeremy's aunt's recipe. Shout out Aunt June. She's the cook of the family and makes so many amazing dishes, but this has to be one of my favorites. We always use chili oil on everything, so it never lasts in our household. So we're always constantly making it. But we love this homemade chili oil because it's cheaper, healthier, and these dry ingredients last a really long time in your pantry. So you can use them for chili oil or you can use them for other dishes, but they're great to have on hand. So for this recipe, we do recommend going to an Asian grocery or international supermarket just because some of these ingredients can be a little bit harder to find. But again, you'll use these a lot in different Asian dishes, so definitely recommend having them on hand. So you'll need soy sauce, a neutral oil like canola or vegetable, star anise, Chinese chili flakes, Sichuan peppercorns, so these you'll want to grind down, sesame seeds, chicken bouillon cubes, a whole garlic, Chinese cinnamon, bay leaves, bird's eye chilies, Chinese dried peppers, a little bit of sugar, and ground coriander. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mince a whole head of garlic. We really like having garlic in our chili oil because it adds a lot of depth and flavor, and basically garlic in anything is delicious. So now that the garlic is finely minced, I'm going to chop up some Thai chili peppers. For most people, 2 to 3 is good for this recipe, but if you really like spice, you could give it a go and do 5 or 6. They do pack a lot of spice for being tiny little peppers, so it's really up to you on what your preference level is. Next, I'm going to heat my oil on low heat because you want to be really careful with hot oil, so we're just going to let it slowly simmer until it's hot. That's also why I'm wearing an apron today. I usually wear crop tops. So while that's getting hot, I'm going to get everything else ready in a jar. So you're going to add all your aromatics and your spices in just one jar. So I'm going to add in all of the garlic and Thai chili peppers. One and a half tablespoons of soy sauce. Use star anise. So you're gonna add in 1 bay leaf, half a stick of Chinese cinnamon, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander, 2 tablespoons ground Sichuan peppercorns, 4 to 5 Chinese dried chilies, So once our oil is heated up, we're gonna add in 3/4 of our chicken bouillon cube to melt into the oil. This is Aunt June's secret ingredient for her chili oil. It gives it such a savory and hearty profile, and this will really kick up your chili oil to the next level. Stir in that bouillon cube until it's melted in. Pour the oil into it. So you're gonna put that in an airtight jar to sit for at least 2 to 3 hours. You can even just let it sit overnight, but you want all of those flavors to really marinate and sit together so you have a really well-balanced chili oil. So our chili oil has been sitting out for a few hours. You can see it's this deep red color, which is what you want to see. It means it's finished and ready to eat. We love to put chili oil on everything, but some of the things we really love to put it on are congee, noodles, even eggs. Like for breakfast, I usually eat like an egg, avocado toast, and some chili oil. It gives it a lot more flavor. So you can check out our recent recipe of span fried rice, which this would be a great topping on. The recipe is linked here. But we just made these dumplings, so I'm gonna give these a try. That is so good. Oh my god. I'm like, can't wait to eat all of these dumplings. So we hope you guys liked Aunt June's chili oil recipe. You need this in your life if you don't have it already. So follow, subscribe, and go for that like button. Until next time. So smash that subscribe. Bye.
Ready?